South Africa's Springbok Casino is celebrating Mother's Day by honoring the fiercest and most devoted mothers in the animal kingdom. Superhero Lion Mum shows us that true strength goes beyond the physical. It's rooted in the heart and mind. Superhero Elephant Mum teaches us that true leadership isn't just about giving orders. It's about caring for those around you. Superhero Cheetah Mum combines her incredible speed and sharp instincts to provide for and protect her young. Superhero Meerkat Mum watches over her family, keeping them safe from dangers. Superhero Hippo Mum shows us that strength, dedication, and sacrifice are key to protecting those we hold dear. This month, Springbok is giving everyone 25 free spins on its new Gemstone Keys The Arcane Unlocked slot. For inspiring tales of motherhood in the wild, visit South Africa's Springbok Casino.